Got a little bike maintenance to do today. We're gonna try to get these tires changed out. That chain taken off of there and cleaned up. Put some new grips on there before we run out of sunlight.
Death rides a bike, but she can't catch me. Death ride. Death ride. Death ride.
Nice little 50-something degrees. And for this time of year in these parts, that's pretty awesome. So let's get busy. Running out of daylight, folks. Running out of daylight. That chain's actually not that bad. We'll give her a little scrub down with some WD-40 and then we'll lube her back up with some lubricant. I think we'll be good to go on that. So give her a little squirty squirt of some WD-40. You don't have to get crazy with it. Get your nice little scrub brush. Then when you're done scrubbing with that WD-40, you don't want to leave that on there. That's a lot of guys do. I have before, but that's not a good enough lubricant. What you want to do is go back, dry it off with a nice cloth. Get all that grit, grime, WD-40 off of there. Let's get them wheels back on there. Might as well clean that off while we're at it. Gotta loosen up that brake cable. Get this fat tire in there. Yeah, get ready for summertime. Real right.
But you can't catch me. Death ride. Death ride.
pressed out good. You don't want it rubbing. It's close, but it's not touching. That's how we like it. Tighten her down. Good and tight. I like to put these little tensioners on there. Keeps it from slipping. And your old Susie Q downtown. I don't know if you can hear that. Anyway, there you go. I gotta do her. What do you think? I think that'll work for now. I'm eventually gonna replace most of this hardware. But for now, I think I can do her. Now next step is to get this here clean, dry chain. We'll lube her up. That's what I use. No promo. No spawns. Alrighty then. Let's lube her up. Then, lest we forget, gotta tighten these brakes back up. Some of the next things we want to do is replace these brakes. Get a few squirts. Last but not least, we need to flip her back right side up and put some new grips on there. Alrighty. Mission accomplished. New grips on. Tires changed out. Get those thicker terrain tires. Chain nice and clean, lubed up. We'll switch out these pedals for some platforms. Some of this hardware we're going to switch out for some fresh. Other than that, I think we're about ready to start adding packs to it. Ready for those spring and summertime rides. Running out of daylight now, so we'll clean up this here mess. Put the bikes away, lock them up. Call it a day for today.